Hello everyone, and welcome to our update on February 17th, 2024. So starting off with our UKV short range forecast, we can see that today we saw rain moving eastwards, starting off quite heavy and persistent in the morning, but it did become more showery in the afternoon with decent dry spells, although it did stay overcast. This evening and tonight, we will see some further spells of shower rain coming in from southwest. In reality, we actually have an area of rain moving into Munster right now at about 10 p.m. today, but it's not showing it on UKV. So tonight, I say rain will be a lot more widespread in the south than this chart shows. Either way, this chart by 4 a.m., 5 a.m. shows a band of heavy showers moving into the west and moving eastwards over Ireland into tomorrow morning early on. That clears off by lunchtime, and in the afternoon we see decent sunshine coming through. So if you want to do something outdoors over the weekend, tomorrow is the day. And beyond that to Monday, into Monday morning, the early hours, we see a band of rain coming eastwards, heaviest in the north. Behind that, a few showers come into Ulster and Connacht, but into Monday, the showers die off. Quite sunny on Monday, but soon enough, we see high clouds coming in from the west, turning things hazy, and some rain might skirt the north coast for a time in the afternoon. Into Tuesday, we see a cold front coming in from the northwest, so this brings a band of rain southeastwards of the country. It lingers on the south coast before it actually gradually pushes northwards into Tuesday night and into Wednesday morning. Into Wednesday itself, we see a showery day with blustery winds from the southwest, and into Thursday, this next area of heavy rain. And actually, by Thursday at 9 a.m., you can see it turns wintry in parts of North Leinster, possibly, especially towards high ground there. So that does show that cold air will start letting in actually heavy snow for parts of southern Scotland into midday Thursday. Obviously, it's 5 years away, so it'll probably change position, but just showing you that it'll be colder into Thursday and Friday with some showers going wintry, especially over high ground. So here is the temperature forecast from UKV. So today we saw very mild temperatures of 10 to 13 Celsius, quite widely got to the low teens today. Tonight we will see lowest temperatures, if they're even like low temperatures. Actually, these are above average even for daytime highs. Lows of 8 to 11 degrees. Tomorrow we will see highest temperatures of a very mild and spring-like 10 to 14 Celsius, widely around 12 or 13 Celsius. And again, that sunshine should make it feel quite pleasant. For a night, again, another very mild night with lowest temperatures of 5 to 8 degrees. Monday itself, a tad less mild, but still very mild, highs of 9 to 12. Into Monday nights, very mild lows of 9 to 11 degrees. Tuesday, highs of 9 to 11. Basically, temperatures don't change between morning and afternoon. Into Tuesday night, temperatures drop off before gradually getting milder again, if it's possible. But Wednesday at 6 a.m., you're between 5 and 8 in the north and northeast, between 10 and 12 in Munster and South Leinster and South Connacht. Into Wednesday itself, we see a day, again, a mild day again. Before into Thursday, things finally start cooling down. 6 a.m. Thursday, Thursday, 9 a.m. sees a swathe here of around freezing, but you can see temperatures dropping towards the low to mid single figures. By Thursday afternoon, we're a lot cooler, between about 4 and 7 Celsius, and some showers wintry over high ground. Also towards Scotland, temperatures around freezing at Thursday at 3 p.m. after that heavy snowfall, possibly for the central part of Scotland, but still down towards Kent, East Anglia, East Midlands, possibly Lincolnshire into the south of England. Very mild still, but that probably be the last day of those temperatures, even for these areas. So here, I'm going to type something up. So here is the NAO index observed with forecasters. So we're currently positive with the index, by about 0.07. That will keep rising into the coming week before falling away into the end of February, start of March. That will coincide with a more cooler variety of unsettles. So currently, today Saturday, tomorrow Sunday, we're seeing this little system coming through, that little trough of low pressure. But into tomorrow afternoon, we see a ridge building from the Azores, so that will dry things off. Another trough comes through into Monday morning, but that soon will clear off. So basically, Sunday and Monday are very similar to each other, except Monday we'll see a lot of high cloud in the sky. So moving through Monday to Tuesday, we see the Azores high gradually slinking off, and the jet stream comes southwards, and so does the area of low to our northwest, and its weather fronts start coming in, and into Wednesday and Thursday, the jet stream goes further and further southwards, and the low deepens and sinks from the north, and by Thursday we're into a very unstable and quite cold, showery, polar maritime air mass. Same as with Friday. Notice the backline, that backline is a jet stream, and it's well to our south over Iberia and towards Morocco even. So going a lot cooler and definitely a lot more cyclonic. Even beyond Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we still stay quite cold, quite chilly at the least. Into Monday, February 26th, still quite cold. Briefly less cold into Tuesday, February 27th, but that's only before this next trough drops in from Iceland, Greenland, brings in a storm by month's end into the 1st of March. All the while, jet stream to our south, so it's a bit chilly. Nowhere near as mild as it is now. So, and just stays very unsettled, and we stay within a polar maritime air mass for quite a while, pretty much, into even into March. So basically, we're going from one variety of unsettles to another. That's basically it. Except that the one we're going into is probably more unsettles than the one now, because at least now we see some days of high pressure influences like tomorrow. So here is the ECMWF. So the ECM again tonight, and tomorrow morning, that trough is coming through. Tomorrow afternoon, a brief ridge before tomorrow night, a trough again. Into Monday, a brief ridge. Before Tuesday, the high itself collapses, and the lows and the jet stream start to dig in from the north and northwest. And by Thursday, we're into again this very unstable, showery airflow. So it's the same for Friday and cooler as well, shall I say. Very very cyclonic. That lower low into Saturday, February 24th into Sunday there, that might be wintry on its northern edge. It's coming into colder air that we must firm up on during the week. It might just end up towards Biscay in the end, given all these southerly tracking lows often trend southwards. But either way, that's something of note. Into the following week, we again go temporarily milder around February 27th, but there's another polar maritime air shot over here. But I think that the Azores eye is stronger on this ECM, so it might go more mild from the southwest. So here is the UK Met Office run. That's 18/7/12 said. I hope it's showing the right. Yes, it is. It's showing the right run. Good. Yes, it was showing the run from Thursday for some reason. Anyway, so here is the UK Met Office run. So again, we're seeing that trough this evening, tonight, tomorrow morning, before it goes drier. Beyond that, into Monday, we see another little trough in the morning before it goes drier. And Tuesday and Wednesday, again, the lows become ever more influential. And by Thursday, we're into this very chilly, very showery, cyclonic air mass here. And it just stays with us right up until Saturday, February 24th. And here it is, the GEM. Go. Again, GEM. Starting off with a trough tonight, brief ridge tomorrow. That'd be very nice. brief trough tomorrow night, brief ridge again. Very changeable up to Monday. From Tuesday, it all starts off. The lows get more influential from northwest, and by Thursday, we're into this very chilly, showery airstream. Now, bear in mind, this is very unstable airstream, so there'll be little areas of showers, convergence lines that band showers and move from the eastwards of the country. And also, we have quite strong sunshine in late February, so showers will blossom inland due to convection. So it's going to be very showery everywhere, pretty much, from Thursday onwards, and quite cold as well. So a mix of like rain, hail, sleets, quite widely. Sleets most likely over higher ground, but possibly down to low levels at times, with some possible snow, obviously, also at mountains. Into the weekends, that little low again is coming into quite cold air. So on this northern side, we might see something of note. On this run, it would be in Ulster and North Leinster, where the temperatures at 850 HPA are below freezing. But that's way too far away to detail anything. And behind that low, it goes colder again. And we see a strong high from Russia into Scandinavia and up into Iceland. Here is the icon run. So the icon run is looking at this. Why is that there? There it is. There we go. There's the icon. The icon is looking at this. So again, very similar up until Monday and Tuesday. It's very changeable. Before Tuesdays all change as the lows start digging in. Pretty good agreement in the pattern from all models today. That it will start off very changeable, but quite decent tomorrow and Monday. Tuesday it starts getting downhill. Very mild and quite wet Tuesday to Wednesday. But Thursday onwards is very showery and quite cold. You can see that again. That deep trough to our north, just getting stuck there, and we go very unsettled and cyclonic. That's the low that the GEM and ECM have over Ireland. That low is going towards Biscay and Iberia, so that might happen in the end. Jet stream is carrying it down towards Africa. Also blocking is towards Greenland by Sunday, February 25th. Here is the arpege, last but not least, and we'll be done and dusted for this evening. So the arpege is going for, again, that trough tonight, clearing off tomorrow morning, to be replaced with sunshine and variable clouds, also very mild temperatures. Brief trough here, right there, Monday morning before it clears off to showers. Not showers, no. Hazy sunshine on Monday. There's quite a bit of high pressure around on Monday. Before on Tuesday and Wednesday, the lows are coming in. And into Thursday, we're into this colder or showery airflow. I mean, that's very, very cyclonic pattern. That's like a washing machine of a low right there. Very big low pressure system, very wide. And also Azores high is well away from us, and jet stream is down to our south. So everyone, thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.